Let's get into number 20. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? So once again, you could see a punctuation issue here. In ancient Greece, Epicurean was a follower of Epicurus, a philosopher whose beliefs revolved around the pursuit of pleasure. Epicurus defined pleasure as the absence of pain in the body and of trouble in the blank, that all life's virtues derive from this absence. So the absence of pain in the body and trouble in the soul, positing that all life's virtues derive from this absence. So we put a little line here, like in the middle between soul and positing. What comes after positing that all life's virtues derive from this absence, that's not a complete sentence, right? So these two that require a complete sentence here, right, these are going to be wrong, right? Because a period and a semicolon would separate two complete sentences. We also have the colon, so the absence of pain in the body and trouble in the soul, positing that all life's virtues derive from this absence. That is going to be a little bit of a weird use of a colon. So I think the comma would be correct because the colon, it's not really connected ideas like that. I don't think that the colon would be correct use. So we're going to go with the comma, choice A. Let's get into number 20.